What is up YouTube, Birdman here. Today we're looking at my new PC build. I'm dubbing it Acid Dream. This thing is gorgeous. I have no complaints about this build whatsoever. This was my first time doing the water cooling with the custom loop. So it was a fun learning experience, and I don't think I'm going to go air cooled standard cheap ass fans anymore. You know, this was so much fun, and the results, I mean, it's incredible. So much fun to do. I did run into one snag and completely stripped one of my fittings, but all in all, not bad, and 6 hours worth of work, and that's what we have. Looking at the meat and bones of this system, powered by our 3080. This is the 12GB version. And this thing is an absolute beast. In there, it sits around, while gaming, it's kind of under 60 degrees. It really likes 55 for some reason. I can't complain at all. Our board, we are looking at the X570. This is a micro ITX board. This board went in my old build, which was an ITX build. I meant to put the 3080 in there. It would not fit because of the little water plugs. So we bought the next case, and I don't know. We'll see how we like it. Power supply, just out of my ITX build, SF750. Strong enough to power the 3080. Nothing else to say about that. And this is our pump, the Hydro X. This is by Corsair. It's the XT5. It's, you know, it blows water. I don't like the square design, but, you know, the performance is so good, I'm just gonna overlook it. So, on this build, I tested out Apex and Cyberpunk. Both of them did not crawl above 60 degrees. And that's awesome. Hopefully in the summertime, you know, we'll see some similar results, because, you know, I don't have central heat and air yet. Love this build. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep this build. I don't know. Maybe my next build we'll go back to ITX. I don't know. But for right now, this will be my main machine I use. I mostly just do Blender nowadays and watch TV. Little chess.com, little X videos, nothing crazy. I do game once in a blue moon, you know, if anybody's on Discord. Not any of you, my friends. But yeah, hope you guys like the build. So, like, subscribe, all that shit. Peace.